Oh, hi, my name's Scott Towers and we're at Duffy's Forest. First started thinking about solar because our bills were getting up, getting close to $2,000 a quarter, and also the environment, you know, it's a win. The spark for us was pulling off the grid virtually completely. We were able to get a system that had, you know, 12 plus kilowatts, and it pretty much took us off, which is, combined with the battery, a plus for us. We chose a 13 kilowatt system. It's about 40 panels, and it's pretty much taken us off the grid. We were looking for something that would last the distance and also was a quality product, and that with an experienced installer was able to get us where we needed to be. The fact that our bills were getting close, getting north up towards about $2,000 a quarter, and also the environment, just being able to do the right thing. In regard to the environment, I just see that there's more and more issues, more and more things that are coming up in regard to the CO2 component, and this for us was a plus. Lots of backing from the kids. Yeah, it's worked well. Yeah, I see this as a win-win for us. It's a saving money scenario, and it's also great for the environment. The end goal for the system for us was to add a battery. By doing that, it was able to pretty much take us off grid, which was, you know, a great attraction. We've then gone to the next step. We've done the electric car scenario. We've jumped into Zappi Charger, which punches the extra kilowatts off the roof that aren't going into the battery once the battery's full into the car. So it's just a win-win. It's been really good. Great experience. Yeah, I've also invested in an electric car. It's just lovely to know that I can charge my car from the sun. It's fantastic. It's a 30-second charge. It's 15 seconds when you get home and you plug it in, and it's 15 seconds when you unplug it.